Gripple. We're product-led and people-powered. With our innovative, engineered solutions, we can help you change the game. Being 100% employee-owned, success for our customers means success for us. So we make your problems ours to solve. Across our 21 global locations, we are all shareholders, united by this same purpose. We're game-changing innovators. It's in our DNA to solve real-world problems. We design, manufacture, and deliver simple, engineered solutions that bring meaningful change. Our focus on simplicity and sustainability means we're helping customers do more with less effort, time, cost, and environmental impact. In construction, our products are ideal for time and labor savings. In agriculture, we've created solutions for best practice and improved sustainability. For erosion control and infrastructure, our solutions offer time savings, ease of use, and sustainable benefits. Whatever the application, Gripple products are always faster to install and easier to use. Our game-changing solutions also come with technical support and technical design assistance for your projects and training. An award-winning manufacturer, we create finished Gripple solutions from components we also produce in-house. Our vertically integrated operations produce our own die casting, injection molded components, steel pressings, and wire accessories. We even design and build our own automated manufacturing machinery. Continual investment in our manufacturing and supply chain means we're a trusted partner for our customers, able to consistently deliver quality, reliability, and value. It's the Gripple way to do business differently, not just to deliver profit, but to share the benefits of sustainable growth with our customers, communities, and employee owners. As a certified B Corp, we meet the highest standards of social and environmental performance. We use our business as a force for good. Our innovative products are powered by our people, our most valuable asset. We have a unique approach to people and culture at Gripple. Fun is our #1 value, as a happy team is a productive team. And we're dedicated to creating an environment where everyone can thrive. Now that's game-changing. Gripple. Change the game.